In this training video, I'll walk you through an overview of your course in Blackboard. In order to access MindTap, you'll need to click on Course Content by Week in the navigation menu on the left. In order to set up your MindTap course in Blackboard, you'll need to follow the directions that are provided for you. There are several places that you can find these instructions. There is a link to the Service and Support website in the Instructor-Only MindTap Course Setup Instructions area. There's also a link to the MindTap Service and Support website here for you to access. This will give you information on how to set up and manage MindTap, as well as training videos and other additional documentation. I've also provided getting started materials for your students on how to register their access code, how to use the ebook, how to complete assignments, and much more. There's also a system check here that you and your students can click on to make sure that your computer is configured to using MindTap. Please note that pop-ups need to be enabled for your students and you to be able to view MindTap content. This can be a confusing aspect here because oftentimes students will enable their pop-ups and then click on the link to access MindTap content, and it looks like they're still in Blackboard. This is because oftentimes a window hides behind another window, so if they click on their taskbar at the bottom of their screen for the browser that they're using, they can see that they might have several windows open, and more than likely their MindTap course material can be found here. Also in the Blackboard course is a link to Cengage Technical Support. If you or your students experience any difficulties with MindTap, best practice is that you click on this link and create a tech support case. There is also a 1-800 number that you can call in the event that you need to speak to somebody live. If you need that information, you can access the 1-800 number in the Service and Support website, and for students in the Getting Started materials. Each weekly folder in your course has assignments for students to complete. There is a link to the chapter assignments here and any assessment as well. In week 5, you'll find the midterm exam, and in week 10, you'll find the final exam. In some of the courses, you'll also see competency checklists. At the very bottom of the course, you'll see a folder that says MindTap Assignment Level Links, Keep Hidden, and it asks that you do not delete the folder. This folder has all of the graded activities in MindTap, and it is what allows for grade return to Blackboard. If this folder is deleted, it does interfere with the population of grades from MindTap to Blackboard, meaning that grades may not transfer from the MindTap assignment into Blackboard. This is for management purposes only. You don't need to touch this folder at all. If you have any questions about how your course is set up, please contact your Cengage representatives.